Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. मैं हूँ ज्योति, as you know.
और मैं हूँ श्रुति।
We are doing something different because we've been covering Krishna's album Still Here, you know, na?
Yeah.
We
Yeah,
have one
yeah.
track left. And
हाँ।
now I've been told don't react to that one track क्योंकि उसका video आएगा. But while you're
I know
waiting,
because last time
Hmm.
we reacted and अगले दिन वीडियो आ गया था या कुछ ऐसा हुआ था, राइट?
Yeah, something like that
हाँ,
happened.
हाँ, कुछ ऐसा हुआ था।
But no, but we already have a Krishna track to react to beyond
ओह,
the album.
नाइस। या,
So people are like, get to that, get to that. Lot of
स्मार्ट।
DMs
यस।
have come in, and people are also saying कि बहुत ही complicated lyrics है and उसको आप breakdown के साथ ही react करना. So ठीक है,
ओह,
भाई
ठीक है।
we
व्हाई
are
नॉट?
we are a request channel. We'll do.
हाँ।
Why not?
सुपर्ब, सुपर्ब।
So we don't need to try and break our heads or try to understand anything because Mr. Karyappa will tell us anyway. But let's see how
नाइस,
much we get.
नाइस।
You know.
यस, it'll be fun to see that.
Huh.
चलो,
So
वेरी
it's a promotional track for a brand called Real Me,
ओके,
and
ओके।
I mean trust Krishna to drop bars even in a promo track, right? That's what I'm hearing. So let's let's see what he's done. Chalo,
चलो,
one,
ठीक है,
two,
यस।
1, 2, 3, play.
Yeah, this is the real me, never fake. असली है।
खौफ है लाला इन्हें खौफ है इनके 10 हो मेरा एक ही बात है ये रियल मी फेक का ना शौक है मेरा नाम बोल एक बारी मौत है खौफ है लाला इन्हें खौफ है लाला इन्हें खौफ है लाला इन्हें खौफ है ये रियल मी फेक का ना शौक है देखो खौफ है ले लाला मेरा खौफ है ले चाहिए इन्हें वॉर पे ये ड्रैगन ऑफ का क्रॉस है रे वर्सटाइल ये स्टाइल तो सारे लॉस ले रे सीमी बस इन देखा सिन जैसे हम भाई ये मौत से रे बहुत से रे देखे जिनने ग्रीफ दिया मैंने जीत लिया हर बीट पे भी डिफीट किया वीक थी आज तो जलेंगी कैसे अंगीठियां छाती में है आग मेरे जैसे कुछ नीट पिया scared to breathe I dare to leap I rise up destiny been testing me I'm wiser extra steez injecting me a fighter the best in me you're yet to see like Kaiser सोजे मुझ में खोने को दिल ही नहीं उठाया रोज ये बोझ इनमें तो स्किल ही नहीं boom bap like doom's back it's villainy straight you get 8 while I capture infinity खौफ है लाला इन्हें खौफ है इनके 10 हो मेरा एक ही बात है ये रियल मी फेक का ना शौक है मेरा नाम बोल एक बारी मौत है खौफ है लाला इन्हें खौफ है लाला इन्हें खौफ है लाला इन्हें खौफ है ये रियल मी फेक का ना शौक है जीते जी गेम में लाया रियल फील बीते भी जितना टाइम मेरा काम रियल डील अटैक देम बैक देन यूज्ड टू हैंग विद रॉबर्स हु जैक men in ends with real steel ना भरोसा देते या लोग है धोखा बेटे ना कभी रोका bring in the heat like joker गाने में अनोखा flow dope ये कोका नोस्ट्रा काम रोज का hold chrome no holster dare to leap मैं तो लेता नहीं rest boss मेरे गानों में feature ये करे flex bot took it easy now they thinking that depends hard दे दो मुझे guest spot दे दूं इन्हें headshot what they mad these rappers only cap now wordplay king playing Scrabble with this rap style no battles I just dabble in these stacks now capture infinity and I ain't going back down खौफ है लाला इन्हें खौफ है इनके 10 हो मेरा एक ही बात है ये रियल मी फेक का ना शौक है मेरा नाम बोल एक बारी मौत है खौफ है लाला इन्हें खौफ है लाला इन्हें खौफ है लाला इन्हें खौफ है ये रियल मी फेक का ना शौक है
Real me, dare to leap.
Real me, dare to leap. What's that? Capture Infinity is like one of their brands or taglines. I don't know because it sounded like it. He used it twice. Um,
I
the
was just okay. So first of all, before we go on to the breakup, what did you feel about it? What did you
breakup
feel about
nahi
that
breakdown.
tagline? Breakdown. Sorry. Let's break it up.
Yeah.
No, but what did you feel
I
about the whole
mean,
track?
it was a hard track. I love the beat. I love the he's using the voice filters which are really suiting him. I think they're
Yeah,
like
that
it's
whole
it's
deep raspy
working
voice.
on yeah, it's
Yeah,
working, it's working so well.
yeah.
Love that. And of course there were quite a few things in there, references and all of that that I didn't get. but I'm not worried because Rohan will tell us.
Mr. Karyapa shall sort it.
Yeah, but there were quite a few bars that just I raised my eyebrows because like there was one I think he said that you're still to see the best of me and something, and I was like, okay, we haven't seen the best of him. That's nice to know. What are your thoughts?
So I had to keep separating the two. One, the commercial aspect, the commercial value of the track कि वो actually किसी brand के लिए है versus कि ये एक गाना है जो कृष्णा ने बनाया है. Like, you know, the two things put together, because the fact that it's a commercial track, I was like a little like
if I hadn't told you and they hadn't put that,
I would not have known.
You would not have known. That's the beauty of it
Because
because he's done it so well.
Yes, he has merged it so beautifully that I would not have known. Except then I would have made fun of the fact कि वो earphones और वो सब क्या था, if I would not have known. But now that I know that it was for the brand, I just had to, every time I was listening, I just had to keep separating the two and saying, listen to the lyrics and the magic of his voice and the whole composition as a track, not as a promo. तो वो मेरे को थोड़ा सा दम लग रहा था वहां पे. But then like Krishna's Krishna, I think this is one of like after a while, because अभी उसका स्टाइल थोड़ा बदल गया है ना, तो ये उसका थोड़ा पहले वाला स्टाइल है, and it was so very like so it was very fun. I liked it. I like this old Krishna ka vibe back.
Yeah, but I'm just saying purely as someone who's worked for so long in like client integrations and client solutions, I feel Realme has done a great thing by getting Krishna. They got a freaking amazing deal, man. I mean, I can't even wrap my head around how well he's integrated the brand into the lyrics of the track, because it doesn't sound like a promo at all. And that is what every brand is looking for. How does a creator integrate my brand and my messaging and my products into the creative in such a seamless, smooth way that it doesn't look like an ad or sound like an ad at all. And oh my God, like Krishna can even do this, beyond the other things he does. I
very smart Realme people, super smart.
If I was a brand manager of Realme, I would just be over the moon. मेरे पूरे साल के KPIs हो गए. Like I have achieved all my KREs. I'm gonna get a 10 on 5 for my Pixel. I'm the boss. Is what I'm taking away from this. So well
very
done.
Nice.
And so Realme is laughing all the way to the bank. I'm sure they've got their money's worth. But now let's just check out what we didn't understand and what we should get into in terms of the lyrics with Mr. Karyapa. Okay, so ready? The breakdown of Khauf Hai by Mr. Rohan, and here we go. 1, 2, 3, play.
Hello, मेरा नाम है रोहन कारियापा and we are back in less than a week. And if you consider both of my channels, so we are back in less than 2 days. Today we will be breaking down Krishna's Khauf Hai. This is the promotional song for a Realme brand, but it does not compromise on quality. By the way, Realme, where is my cut though? Also, I'm sure that the track has been tweaked a little bit to integrate the brand and its message, जिसके बारे में हम breakdown के दौरान भी बात करेंगे. For now, without wasting any further time, let's jump right into the breakdown.
खौफ है लाला इन्हें खौफ है इनके 10 हो मेरा एक ही बात है ये Realme fake का ना शौक है मेरा नाम बोल एक बारी मौत है.
Hook is nice and pretty straightforward. इनके 10 हो मेरा एक ही बहुत है could refer to how multiple artists supporting MEWay have dissed Krishna, and Krishna says कि वो अकेले ही बहुत है.
ये Realme fake का ना शौक है मेरा नाम बोल एक बारी मौत है.
Realme line is obviously the brand integration, kind of smooth though. Last line again is directed at MEWay, warning him कि अगर वो कृष्णा का नाम लेंगे तो मौत मिलेगी.
देखो खौफ है लाला मेरा खौफ है चाहिए इन्हें वॉरफेयर ये ड्रैगन ऑफ का क्रॉस है.
Straight up bars. यहाँ warfare means Call of Duty warfare game, जिसमें Dragunov नाम की एक स्नाइपर गन होती है. कृष्णा says कि अगर तुमको मुझसे वॉर चाहिए तो मेरा स्नाइपर का एम already set है तुम पे. Also, there is a possibility that the word or slang "lala" used in this line is used specifically to target MEWay, because MEWay has used this term a lot in his previous tracks. Krishna says कि उनका style versatile है. That means he can make different kinds of songs, and that's why his opponents are losing against him. It's a pretty decent simile. See me bussing मतलब जब ही वो मुझे कमाल का या अच्छा काम करते हुए देखते हैं. They be cussing मतलब वो मुझे गाली देते हैं, बद्दुआएं देते हैं. And then he compares this quality to a stereotypical Indian family by saying मौसेरे भाई, क्योंकि किसी भी देसी फैमिली में अपने रिलेटिव्स को आगे बढ़ता हुआ देख के लोगों को बहुत ज्यादा जलन होने लगती है.
बहुत सेरे देखे जिन्हें ग्रीफ दिया मैंने जीत लिया हर बीट पे भी डिफीट किया.
Krishna talks about how उनकी जिंदगी में बहुत लोगों ने उनको ग्रीफ यानी तकलीफ and sadness दी है, but despite of that he has emerged as a winner and has defeated all of them. अंगीठी इज अ मेटल कंटेनर जिसके अंदर जलता कोयला होता है. इसको बारबेक्यू के लिए यूज किया जाता है, कहीं बार सिर्फ हाथ सेकने के लिए भी यूज किया जाता है. कृष्णा सेज कि उनके ओपोनेंट्स के अंदर आग ही नहीं थी, एंड विदाउट आग के अंगीठी इज प्रीटी यूजलेस. एंड देन ही कनेक्ट्स दिस फायर रेफरेंस इन द नेक्स्ट लाइन टू.
छाती में है आग मेरे जैसे कुछ नीट पिया.
He says कि उनके ओपोनेंट तो फायर नहीं है बट कृष्णा की छाती में आग है. एंड देन ही यूजेस अ सिमिली टू कंप्लीट द बार. इफ यू ड्रिंक, let's say, a strong alcoholic drink without mixing it with water, it will cause a burning sensation in your chest because of the heat, obviously. Krishna compares that burning sensation to छाती में आग.
Scared to breathe, I dare to leap, I rise up.
Scared to breathe is a phrase that is again used to describe the state of Krishna's ops. You're scared to breathe when you think someone is nearby you and is here to get you. तो आप उनसे छुप रहे होते हो and इसलिए सांस भी नहीं ले रहे होते ताकि उनको आपकी लोकेशन का पता न लगे. Krishna says कि उसके opponents रिस्क लेने से डर रहे हैं. Meanwhile, Krishna dares to leap, मतलब छलांग लगाने के लिए and उसके बाद उड़ने के लिए तैयार है. It is a metaphor that
It's a
consists
tagline, no?
Realme's tagline, that is dare to leap.
Yes.
Pretty tight.
Destiny been testing me, I'm wiser.
This one is yet again a very very smart line. Krishna says कि जिंदगी ने कंसिस्टेंटली उनका इम्तिहान लिया है एंड बार बार टेस्ट देने की वजह से वो और भी वाइज यानी समझदार हो गए हैं.
Extra steez injecting me, a fighter.
This is a relatively complex bar in the song. So in West, a lot of rappers make up their own words in their songs, जैसे fugazi या guap, etc. Also, steez is one such word that was originated by a rap track. Steez का actual मतलब होता है stylish, and the word was used in a track named shadow boxing, which is a fighting term. Remember this. Also, when a fighter is injected with steroids, he grows stronger. Hence, the line is extra steez injecting me, a fighter.
The best in me, you're yet to see like Kaiser.
The best in me you're yet to see, यानी अभी भी किसी ने मेरा बेस्ट देखा नहीं है. Then he uses the reference Kaiser Soze to explain the yet to see wala part in this line. Kaiser Soze was a character in this movie named The Usual Suspect. पूरे मूवी में काइजर कौन है इस पे सस्पेंस बना हुआ होता है. तो बेसिकली no one actually knew who Kaiser was and hadn't seen him, just like people haven't seen Krishna's best because it is yet to come.
The best in me, you're yet to see like Kaiser. Soze मुझ में खोने को दिल ही नहीं.
Now, Kaiser Soze was a pretty heartless character too. In the same movie, there were stories about this character and how he killed his own family and the mafia who had held his family hostage. Krishna says कि Kaiser Soze की तरह उनमें भी दिल नहीं है.
उठाया रोज ये बोझ इनमें तो skill ही नहीं.
Simple line, I do this every day, but Krishna's opponent don't have the skill to do the same.
Boom bap like Doom's back, it's villainy.
Boom bap is a style of rapping, very popular during the old school
We
era.
just
So
heard.
Krishna says कि जब वो boom bap करेंगे तो लोगों को लगेगा Doom is back. Now here Doom refers to one of the most legendary old school rappers of all time, MF Doom, who passed away last year. MF Doom was also known as a supervillain and had an album named Mad Villainy, and that's why the sentence in the song ends with it's villainy.
Straight you get 8 while I capture infinity.
This was another slick line. Straight you get 8 मतलब अगर आप सीधा सामने कृष्णा के आगे खड़े रहोगे you get 8 मतलब you will be outdone. आपको कृष्णा अपने स्किल से हरा देंगे. ये एक सिंपल मतलब है. The next one is कि लोग स्ट्रेट रह के न्यूमेरिक 8 बन जाते हैं, whereas Krishna is tilting it to capture infinity. 8 को अगर आप 90 डिग्री पे रोटेट करोगे तो वो infinity बन जाता है. Not to forget, capture infinity is the tagline of the new Realme phone series.
See,
जीते जी के मिला
It's
real
the
feel,
tagline.
बीते भी जितना time मेरा काम real deal.
Okay, now we have entered the second verse. First two lines are pretty straightforward flex of how Krishna changed the hip hop scene, and आगे भी जितने टाइम वो scene में रहेंगे consistently अच्छा काम करते रहेंगे.
Attack them back then, used to hang with robbers who jack men in ends with real steel.
Brilliant line. This line reminded me of the Duba Duba line from Akasam because breaking this down was pure joy. First, the simpler meaning कि कृष्णा ऐसे गैंगस्टर लोगों के साथ रहते थे जो एंड्स यानी उनकी लोकेलिटी में रॉबरी करते थे एंड लोगों को जैक यानी ठगते थे विथ रियल स्टील यानी गन्स के सहारे ठगते थे. बेसिकली ऑल इन ऑल कृष्णा ग्रू अप विथ एब्सोल्यूट गैंगस्टर्स. हियर हु जैकमैन is a wordplay on this Hollywood actor
Jackman.
named Hugh Jackman, who's an actor who has acted in a movie named Real Steel, and इसका रेफरेंस आपको पूरे लाइन में दिख
I didn't
जाएगा.
know
Brilliant.
ना भरोसा देते या लोग हैं धोखा.
सिंपल सीन में लोग धोखेबाज हैं.
कभी देना कभी रोका, bring in the heat like Joker.
Bringing the heat means doing amazing stuff. Heat is a wordplay on this late
Heath
actor
Ledger.
named Heath Ledger, who played the role of Joker in Batman movie.
Nice.
Hence, bringing the heat like Joker.
गाने में अनोखा flow, dope ये कोका.
Flow dope. Dope in hip hop lingo means awesome, but also usually dope means drugs. Line says कि flow dope ये coca. Coca basically means cocaine, which is a drug.
का नोस्ट्रा काम रोज का, hold chrome no holster.
By Nostra, Krishna is referring to the mafias. Krishna says living like mafia उनके लिए रोज का काम है, and then explains it with hold chrome no holster. Chrome here refers to a gun and holster is basically that leather strap वाला compartment जो आपके बेल्ट से जुड़ा होता है जिसके अंदर आप गन रखते हो. He says that he's holding the gun in his hands every day and it's not holster.
Dare to leap, मैं तो लेता नहीं rest, boss.
Again, a reference to the tagline "Dare to leap," and then Krishna says कि he hustles all the time.
मेरे गानों में feature ये करे flex, bot. Took it easy, now they're thinking that depends hot.
Oh boy, we have reached the controversial section of the track. I will not take any names here though, if you're wondering. This line explains how competitive Krishna is. Krishna takes shots at the rappers he has collaborated with by saying कि Krishna went easy on a few tracks and now these rappers think that they are better lyricists than Krishna.
That depends hot. दे दो मुझे guest spot, दे दूं इन्हें headshot.
Here Krishna challenges all those rappers to give him a guest spot, yani offer him a feature in your already made track, and Krishna will kill you with a headshot on the same track. As a fan of this genre, I am pretty much happy to see competition growing here.
What they mad? These rappers only cap now.
ये rappers जो ऊपर वाली lines सुन के चिढ़ गए हैं, they only cap now, यानी ये rappers सिर्फ झूठ बोलते हैं.
Now wordplay king playing Scrabble with this rap style.
Scrabble is a board game and can be vaguely described as a game जिसके अंदर अक्षर जोड़ जोड़ के आपको शब्द बनाने होते हैं. तो basically you're playing with words in this game. Hence wordplay king. Playing Scrabble with this rap style is basically a flex in which Krishna wants to tell कि वो कितने effortlessly technicalities अपने गाने में और अपने rap में और अपने music में include करते हैं.
No battles, I just dabble in these stacks now.
Now इस line में no battles could possibly have two meanings. One could be his announcement about how he will not make any diss tracks anymore, and the other one could be a reference of how he stopped battling. इसके बारे में कृष्णा ने समय रैना की लाइव स्ट्रीम में भी बात करी थी. Krishna says that he's not going to battle because he's right now busy counting his money.
Capture infinity and I ain't going back down.
Last line again is Realme phone series tagline, that is Capture Infinity, followed with now that have reached infinity, अब मैं वापस नहीं आऊंगा. So that's it for the breakdown. The final score is, all in all, it was a very, very good track. We are breaking down a Krishna track after, let's say, 6 months. Needless to say that this track had a brilliant use of similes and metaphors. Did I miss anything though? Do let me know in comments below.
So interesting. Capture Infinity was a tagline. It felt
Yes.
like one. Because,
Yeah.
also I love 8 and infinity. It's my birth number. So anyway, what did you think after the breakdown? What are your thoughts?
I understand the song a lot better though, for sure.
Hmm.
Because there were many references जो पहले नहीं समझ आई थी.
Yeah.
And especially the whole diss वाली and like you know और वो वाली references तो कभी समझ नहीं आती because I never know किसके साथ क्या चल रहा है, किसके साथ क्या लड़ाई है, you know. So that was very interesting to get to know the whole inside stuff कि अरे ये हो रहा है. So thank you Mr. Karyappa for that. What did you feel?
Yeah, he was also like, "Oh, बहुत controversial part पे आ गए." But the thing is, I didn't know that he's got a little bit of a not beef, but a little bit of something under the
Issue?
surface boiling happening with artists he's
Yeah.
actually collabed with in the past. I don't know who they are and what that scene is and with whom it is. But if
Mhm.
but if that's happening, then I mean, he's not gonna do diss tracks, is what he's saying. But hey, if someone like, I don't know if that's part of the genre and people like used to blend and aren't, I don't know, man. I don't know where it's justified to diss and where it's not. I don't have an opinion on it, but as someone who has who has a Jat blood, I would respond. even though I keep saying I don't like diss tracks at all. I mean, you gotta do something. But anyway, whatever. We'll see. We hope there's no beefs that are gonna happen in the scene. I know Rohan said that as a
Long
fan of the genre, he would look forward to it if it happens. But I don't think I would personally. What do you think? What
See,
is your-
healthy competition. Wherever there's healthy competition, it definitely fuels the creative juices. So wherever that is happening, I'm all for it. But जब वो dirty zone में चला जाता है ना, that's when it's not okay. And I'm pretty sure Krishna won't go in the dirty zone because he'll be like, he'll make it all juicy and interesting and like, bar fest बना देगा वो पूरे उस गाने को.
Yeah,
So like,
that's
I'm
for
good.
sure.
Any Gana that comes, I'm good with.
Yeah, but like I was saying earlier, I think it was one of our reactions this week. Was it the Mob D one where we're talking about how
Yes.
hip hop is so competitive? Okay, that's a
Yeah.
given.
Yeah.
So and as a genre, it's not something that originated in the subcontinent, right?
Yeah,
It came
yeah.
from the Americas and all of that.
Correct.
But I still feel like when a certain style of music is adopted by the people of a particular region and they start having their own spin on it and all of that. And I'll give you an example, like jazz music, right?
Right.
And even like Cuban salsa or Latin music. Salsa music may have originated in Cuba, but then the New Yorkers made it their own. They added the jazz element. It became Latin
Yeah.
jazz on another level. So every place can play with something and make it their own.
Their
so
own, yeah,
so
for
what?
sure.
So this whole like diss culture and all of that, and it's like gang rivalry and this and that. I'm just saying that you can adopt the music aspect of it. You don't have to adopt every single aspect of its history that has happened in another geographical location. You don't need to make it about
Correct.
gang rivalry. You don't need to make it about, I don't know, whatever. There are different aspects of a certain art form, and
Yeah.
each one of those doesn't need to get adapted into your own style and your country or
Correct.
your region or your language.
You're speaking
So,
your truth. So what is around you and what you witness is what you're speaking. I mean, अगर वो literally culture को तो copy paste anyway कर नहीं सकते ना. So I agree
huh.
with you entirely. That
My
like
thing
you know
is,
you
because I
don't have
see
to adopt everything.
yeah, because I
Yeah.
see fans and I see comments and they're like, oh, this is hip hop culture and this is what, this is how it's done. And this is, for example, someone got shot and killed and murdered in the West, or over the, the gang rivals and all of that thing happened. And because I think you and I mentioned this in some reaction where I think it was MC Stanka, when he got stabbed in that last video
Yeah.
and he was telling
Yeah.
that
Yeah.
story. So people
Yeah.
were like, but this is part of the hip hop culture. I'm like, no, it doesn't need to be. It really doesn't
Yeah.
need to be. That
Yeah.
culture is relevant to that specific area and their sort of communal history with each other. That aspect of the music doesn't need to get adapted into your country. Make it your own and do with it something of your own that's maybe has a more positive spin on it. I don't know, but I mean, keep
Yeah.
it competitive, uh, but keep it nice and clean also, if that's possible. I don't know. So that's what I have to say, and I think it's just an interesting thing to discuss and probably ponder over.
Yeah.
As a fan of the genre and maybe even as an artist, I don't know, but yeah. Oh well, this was fun. Hop hair,
It was
lovely.
absolutely fun.
As
Yeah.
the Real Me brand manager, like I said, I would be
Wah, bhai,
laughing
wah.
all the way to the bank and to my appraisal meeting. So
Oh,
lovely
well done.
stuff. And we'll get to, I think, the last track on Krishna's album once that video drops. Na hai time, I think.
Hmm.
It's
Now
so
hai
fast.
time.
It's kind of yeah. It's like ek hi bach gaya hai, we can't watch it. It's like we have to wait.
Now hai time.
Um,
Kya kare?
it would be nice to get a confirmation from Krishna himself whether that video is coming also or not. If that happens and you guys have any news, let us know. Let us know in the comments. And that's it from us. Check out Miss Bhola's channel. It's linked below.
Thank
You know,
you.
podcasting
Yes,
is happening.
yes.
we
And
will
if you're new here, hit like, hit subscribe, and of course, DM Jojo on Instagram to get your requests in.
Yes. Chalo, we'll see you in the next one. Live long and prosper.